Hello, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me today. I have a project share, and it's for an open collab that's hosted by Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. And the hashtag for this is Monster Mash 23. It's an open collab. You post something every Tuesday in October. You post your Halloween crafty item and use that hashtag. So today, I have a tag to share, a Halloween tag. This is my tag. My guy on here, because this one is so dark, I'm hoping you could see it. Okay, let's lift him up a little bit. Now that's Alfred right there. This is Alfred. Every Halloween, Alfred gets up, goes to the cave where he stored Mother's picture, and he sits there and he communes and thinks about Mother. There's a mother. Says mother right there, so that has to be her. I'm sure it's Alfred's mother. So anyway, it's in memory of Mother. Alfred goes there. He makes sure that the flowers are fresh, the spider webs. Let me move it up a little bit. Can you see the webbing there? The mummy cloth, the bats, spiders, the nice sparkly limbs and branches that are there among Mother. Alfred even has some kind of a spider web with him too. Alfred can't help. He's a good boy. Goes to visit his mother every Halloween, communes with her, tells her stuff she probably don't even know about Alfred, what he been up to in his, I don't know what they be up to. And I'm sure this is Alfred's mother since he's there. But anyway, that's the tag. That's the story. Alfred Skeleton. Go visit his mom. Mom's looking good though, right? She got a scarf on. She got a gold tooth. Wait, I hope it sparkles for you. Can you see Mom's gold tooth? Just a sparkle in there. Okay, right there. She got some flowers. Everything. What a good boy Alfred is. So this is my tag for the share. Hashtag Monster Mash 23. Hosted by Christy's Crazy Crafty Life. I'll put a link to Christy's channel in the description box. Go and check her out. Give her a thumbs up. Use the hashtag MonsterMash23 to check out everybody that's participating in the collab. Hope you guys are having a nice time. Remember, there's one more Tuesday left. If you decide you want to participate, let me know what you think about my tag. And I'm hoping, I'll put a picture in the back of it. I'm thinking because it's so dark, it's kind of hard to see. But I'll add a picture at the end so you can get a good look at the tag. I'm thinking, I love this tag. I love the way it turned out. Alfred and his mom, I love it. So tell me what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you like. Please leave a comment. Also, if you're new here, press that subscribe button and subscribe. I got one more thing to do for Monster Mash 23 and the last Tuesday, so I think I'll do something, but I got other things going on the channel. I'm a tag maker. Some people make cards. I'm a tag maker, and I give away my tags as presents to friends. So tell me what you think, and I'll see you all in the next video. Don't forget, be the reason somebody smiles, and take care of yourself. Remember, self-care is very important. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye now.